What's up guys, Luke here from Cruise Punk, and today I'm going to be taking my Infiniti Q50 through an automatic car wash. So I'm going to be buying the most expensive option here, which I believe is $14, and we're just going to test it out. We're going to see, is the most expensive option on an automatic car wash worth it? Does it do a good job cleaning? So let's zoom in on some of the dirty spots of this car. So obviously I haven't washed it yet. There's some dirt right there in the fender. There's a lot of dirt down there. A whole lot. The tires are pretty dirty. Let's see. I got some dirt up here. Yeah, that's not a scratch, it's dirt. Some more dirt right there. So pay attention to right about here because it is very dirty. License plate area is pretty dirty too. And yeah, it's been a while since I've shot a video here at night. So let's see how it turns out. Once again, the fender areas are pretty dirty. There's a lot of dirt. These tires are super dirty. Look at that. I doubt it's gonna clean that well, but it would be nice. So here we go. I'm about to drive through this car wash. Okay, so before we go in, let's take a look here. Now, this is similar to most automatic car washes. It's one of those new touch-free car washes, so I'm pretty sure it uses the same technology as any car wash you'll find local to you. So here we go, the $14 option. Apparently does undercarriage wash, bug prep, power wash, foam polish, spot-free rinse, carnabula, whatever the heck, shine. So you can see all the options range from $8 up until $14, and we're gonna hit that $14 wash and see if it makes this thing look awesome. Dang, that's dirty. Okay. Oh man, sport car life. It's gonna be hard to reach that. Here we go. Please drive forward. All right. Holy, what the heck?
Please drive forward.
Stop.
Please place car in park.
The car is in park. Looks like we're starting off with a nice little spray here. Make sure all my windows are closed.
Going around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
see if that was worth my $14. Okay guys, so we are back at the same spot. Now, moment of truth. Is the most expensive option for an automatic car wash worth it? Let's find out. Okay, so here's the car. Let's look at some of those spots I was talking about. Already see some drops of soap here. Yep, there's some soap there. So it's like that little spot on my fender was gone. No more dirt there. Ooh, look at that. It's hard to see, but it's still pretty dirty back there. It's not super dirty, but it's not clean either. His wheels look okay though. Definitely has a good shine to it, kind of like a good wax. All the dirt here is gone. That's pretty good. Back here is pretty clean too. Now look at the top. Oh, can you see that? There's still a good layer of dirt over there. For some reason this side's it's a lot cleaner. It's pretty good. This side's pretty clean. Dirt. Not bad, not bad. Oh yeah. So the wheels, they're still pretty dirty. Definitely didn't do a great job on the wheels. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. That just about finishes it. So, in my opinion, is the most expensive option at an automatic car wash worth it? I'm gonna say no, not on a regular basis, because $14 is expensive just to spend on a somewhat okay car wash for your car. But I mean, times that I would use it is maybe if I'm like going to a car meet and I'm running late and I don't have time to wash the car myself. That'd be pretty good. I say it did a decent job, but personally I wouldn't spend $14 on this car wash that often. I'd rather do it myself. So yeah, thanks for watching today's video guys. Once again, please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, and I'll see you guys around. Cruise Punk out.
Oh, y'all surprised cause I ain't got a LA chick on my side, the passenger, the LA whip. It's all good, I got love for my LA chicks, but I'm